everybody, it's Ed the Old Tech Guy, and today I have an amazing mod for you. Yes, you pack out nuts, you Milwaukee lovers, you lovers of the LED. Since I purchased my Milwaukee pack out 3-drawer unit, I have wanted a light up drawer, but I remembered you all don't like me drilling, cutting, destroying such expensive boxes on my mods. So this mod right here has no screws, no glue, and is completely reversible. We're gonna keep it simple and easy, and we will level it up on future videos, which will include some screws, some magnets, and the mods will be much more fun, much more complex. So stay tuned, guys, because we're gonna get into some cool stuff right after this. All right, guys, there are some parameters of this modification that we have to stick to meet everybody's needs. One of them, just for you, is that the modular packout system has to stay portable. So the minute we tether this to a building with lots of electronics and things of that nature, it's going to take away from the ability to pack it up and take it to the next work site. The second parameter that we have to stick to is that this has to be completely easy. It has to be to the point where anybody can do, not take a lot of time, and they can accomplish it with just a few tools. The third parameter that we want to stick to here is that this has to be completely reversible. Some of you have expressed great concern about drilling and cutting into these boxes because they're very expensive. So there's going to be no cutting of the box. There's going to be no drilling in this modification. We will have future modifications where we will do that. Here's what we're going to need for this project or modification. We're going to need a Sharpie to make our marks. We're going to need a file to file down metal. Okay. We're going to need a measuring tape or ruler will do. A saw that can cut metal. It doesn't have to be particularly sharp, new, or even that good. It could be a junky one like this one. And we're gonna need the LED Easy Light, Easy Life from Amazon. I will put links in the description, or maybe I'll put it right here and I'll put how much it costs right there. But this is the piece of resistance. We need this right there, guys, to make all this work. And you obviously need the Milwaukee Packout 3-drawer unit. You're also going to need a Harbor Freight socket rail, 3/8 preferably. They're only a couple bucks and it'll make this easy. You need a piece of metal and it's the cheapest, easiest to cut metal that you're going to find. Optionally, I suggest you get yourself some double-sided tape. It can be removed, so it's still reversible, but it is an option. You may not need it. I'm not using it today, so you may not want to either.
Now guys, we're going to be working with these pieces of plastic that are here on the inside of the Milwaukee drawer here. This drawer's part number is 48228443. It has this section that is set up for you to put the organizing plates, but it's funny because they only ship you one set of plates. So what do you do with the other drawers? As you can see here, I'm using those plates for my flashlight drawer. See that? So they only ship you one of these and they expect you to buy others. Unfortunately, what that does is it gives you tons of different ridges and things that just make it tough. I almost would rather a flat drawer, but with that being said, we can use this to our advantage.
We're going to go ahead and use these two pieces of plastic to hold a piece of metal. So let's go ahead and get that measurement. And guys, I know I'm doing tons of talking on this video as I'm trying to describe all the different steps, so I'm gonna be quiet now and I'm gonna put some music for a little bit, but pay attention to the screen because there's the rest of the instructions. Make sure you watch them all the way through. Let the music begin! And now for the LED Easy Light Easy Life. Here you go, guys. Let's go ahead and unbox this really quick. Now this has a rechargeable battery, so it's going to have a USB cord with it. Now you can put this aside if you've got another way to charge this, but there you go. You can charge that up. Now we're going to go ahead and get this guy out. Instructions. And here you go. That's the light right there. So we're going to go ahead and now just take this off. And here you've got a setting for off, on, or auto. And I'm using it in auto. When you go ahead and just connect it like this, pop, there you go. Nice and high, ready to go. We can go ahead and get this stuff out of the way. And check it out, guys. Check it out. There you go. It closes perfectly. We have not gone ahead and changed the box at all, meaning that if you want to go ahead and undo this, you can easily pop that piece of metal out. The other great thing about this is that it goes ahead and gives us a light that we can use for our other drawers. You can go ahead and just remove this light, put it on, right? And you can go ahead and, you know, open up and look into another drawer with your light. And that's it, guys. Nice and simple, easy mod for your packout system right here on Ed the Old Tech Guy. Where else are you going to get content like this, guys? If this is helping you out in some way, please do me a favor, drop me a comment, drop me a like, and if you haven't subscribed, consider subscribing. We drop content like this all the time just to help you guys out. Let's go ahead and give this a test run and see what it looks like.